I was at my corporate office when I had to use the restroom. I did my business and washed up, but then I realized the toilet wouldn't flush. My waist was too big to flush with the bidet, and there were no pails or buckets to collect water. Our office records who enters the toilet, so I knew I had to find a way to flush it to avoid embarrassment. I tried using a small trash bin to collect water, but it had holes in the bottom. I plugged the holes with paper and filled it with water, but the plug fell out when I lifted it, spilling water all over my shoes. I thought the remaining water would be enough to flush the toilet, but it wasn't. I had to get more water, and some of my waste even resurfaced. I eventually found a better trash bin with an inner bucket and used it to flush the toilet successfully. It was a chaotic experience, and I've decided that floor is cursed.